Large areas of Gyumri were flattened during the destructive earthquake that hit this part of Western Armenia in 1988. The fountain, which was created by the prominent Armenian-born Soviet architect Arthur Tarkhanyan in 1982, used to be the centerpiece of the Polytechnic University of Gyumri campus that surrounded it. And when the 6.8 magnitude earthquake hit, everything in the area was destroyed except for the fountain. Many people who were displaced as a result of the tremor set up temporary homes in the vicinity shortly thereafter, and eventually quite a few of these dwellings became permanent. The neighborhood remains run down and neglected. We're standing here in Gyumri in front of the iron fountain, the only standing structure in this particular area of Gyumri. It is 26th of August 2022.
So I've always wondered, looking at these, where the water would come out, and as I got up close to it, I could see at each one of these little pieces here at the bottom, it's hollow, and the tube runs up the length of it. So the water actually would drain out of each one of those, and it would look like a shower. From several different curtain layers. See, one around here, the next one, the next one, the next one, the next one, all the way down. I was always wondering how that would look so you could still be able, like, whatever happened in front, you could still see what happened behind. But the way they're set up, the ones in front have one in the middle between them and so on all the way down. It's pretty neat. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever.
So Polytechnic Institute of Gyumri to the left, and this is look like temporary became permanent dwelling. There is a mailbox. It's written Почта or post in Russian. It's a Soviet era style. There is a number for the dwelling, 225/007. There is even a bell you can ring It looks like the tree I'm looking at is walnut. There are green walnuts on the tree. We noticed old woman. I recognize she was given an interview in a video of Varlamov, the famous YouTuber from Russia, and she said that she loves Putin, she supports Putin, she loves Russia, and she said that she's very embarrassed that her father was Ukrainian. She complained that local government doesn't provide any benefits for her, but then throughout the interview she mentioned that they have apartment, and it was her choice to allow her son to live in that apartment given to them after the earthquake, and basically it's her choice to stay living here. She has electricity, she has TV, and Varlamov mentioned that when he walked in, TV was on news, and basically she said that she's watching news, Russian news channels every day. And Varlamov showed her bathroom, which is Varlamov showed her bathroom, which is basically an outhouse with a hole in the going into the ground, and he said that she doesn't have regular bathroom. But she has TV, and she has obviously some kind of package, because she's watching Russian news all day long, as she said. So Varlamov's reaction was to say that she's so brainwashed. Blue flowers, and life is victorious, as Jesus is. Life defeats death, and resurrection of this city of Gyumri is obvious. There is a project to rejuvenate this area by restoring this fountain to its original glory, but it needs some sponsors, and it doesn't look like it's happening anytime soon. But you never lose hope. So we'll be back to see what's going on here. So there is life. We saw several cars driving in. Roads are obviously not maintained, but this is typical housing built after the 1988 earthquake. Before they moved in into the houses, so it was basically